Welcome back to the Knowledge Hub podcast. Here's something that caught my attention. A steel manufacturer just cut their order processing time by 30%, not by hiring more people or working longer hours, by finally replacing the patchwork of systems that had been quietly sabotaging them for years. This is a 20-year-old American company. They supply high-strength steel rods for massive infrastructure projects. Their reputation, rock solid. But behind the scenes, their tech was falling apart. Sales ran on one system called BSI. Manufacturing used something else. Accounting was standalone. Every department spoke a different digital language, and nobody could see the full picture. The real pain point? Quotations. Imagine manually calculating 700 parameters for every single quote. Dimensions, steel grades, volumes, material specs. It took forever, and mistakes were inevitable. Production schedules kept getting pushed back because inventory data didn't match reality. Executives couldn't make informed decisions because the numbers were scattered across disconnected tools. So they brought in Odoo, an ERP platform that could actually talk to itself. Here's what matters. They didn't flip a switch and change everything overnight. They rolled it out in phases over 6 months, starting with sales and manufacturing. Smart move. It gave people time to adjust without tanking the business. The customization work was intense. They built templates that automated those 700 calculations. They created tracking systems, so every version of every quote was logged and traceable. They synced everything with their existing data lake through an API, so information flowed in real time. Even CAD files got pulled in automatically and linked to the right sales orders. And the results? Quotation time dropped by 50%. Errors in manufacturing fell significantly because accurate data was finally reaching the production floor. Leadership could suddenly see consolidated profit and loss, procurement costs, and production metrics all in one place. No more guessing. No more waiting for someone to manually compile a report. The platform now supports over 800 users across multiple branches. It handles logistics, compliance documentation, even electronic signatures. Everything that used to require 5 tools and 3 spreadsheets now happens in one system. Here's the takeaway. This wasn't about chasing the latest tech trend. It was about solving real friction, the kind that costs you time, money, and sanity every single day. If your team is still duct taping systems together, the question isn't whether to upgrade, it's how much longer you can afford not to.